As a material scientist, I love this clip. As a car enthusiast, I love this clip. I love this clip.
Yes, Vesa is trying to break the world record for fastest high ski.
Wow. That's faster than I would want to drive. And he's doing it on 2 wheels.
And at 116 miles per hour, Vesa's now the fastest man to ever do a high ski. We're in Nokia, Finland to find out more about Vesa's record-breaking run.
No, minun nimeni on Vesa Kivimäki ja lempinimeltä Crazy Vesa. Mä tykkään mun lempinimestä, se on hyvä. Projektis meni se 6 kuukautta aikaa, auton tekeminen, treenaaminen, renkaiden testaaminen, koko juttu 6 kuukautta. Mutta se etu mulla on, että kun mä oon 15-vuotiaana aloittanut tämän homman, niin mä oon treenannut tähän koko ikäni.
But how can this fast Finn go so quickly on just 2 wheels?
When a car is driven in a side wheelie, there are only 2 skinny points of contact between the tires and the ground.
Because the entire weight of the car is on these 2 palm-sized areas, they experience huge wear and stress and can lead to a blowout.
To overcome this, Vesa is using specially designed tyres that contain aramid fibres in the rubber to reinforce them. Aramid fibres are made of long chain molecules that are laid out straight and packed next to each other. Each chain forms hydrogen bonds to the next, and this creates a material that's incredibly strong and resistant to wear. Aramid fibres are so strong that they're used in bulletproof vests, and in Vesa's stunt, they enable his tyres to withstand the forces and wear and allow him to smash this record.
Siinä kun ennätystulos saatiin ja todettiin, että meillä on uusi maailmanennätys, niin koko meidän 20-henkinen tiimi niin hyppii kattoon ja tunnelma oli kaikilla. Ja avovaimokin tuli siitä kunnon halit ja pusut antamaan, että hän on nyt vielä mies ja vielä maailmanennätysmies.